We call this a trinomial because there's three terms. There's three numbers separated by plus or minus. Y squared, 12y, and 27. So we're trying to factor this trinomial. And if you're ever trying to factor a trinomial and there's a letter that's being squared with no number in front, meaning there's a 1 for a coefficient, you can always jump right to a quick set of parentheses. It can be factored like this. Both the parentheses are going to start with a y because eventually when we multiply them back out to check our work, y times y is going to give us that y squared. And the only other piece missing is the two numbers that need to go here. And the key to making those numbers is that you need to think of two numbers that multiply to be 27, but they add up to be 12. So how about a 3 and a 9? 9 times 3 is 27. 9 plus 3 is 12. That's it. This is the factored form. And again, I was able to do this with a quick method because there was no number in front of the variable that was being squared. You can jump right to the parentheses, start them off with that variable to the first power, and then find the two numbers that multiply to be the number without a variable, the last term, the c in the quadratic, if you're thinking of it like that. The two numbers that multiply to be this last number, but they add up to be the middle number. That was 3 and 9 in my case.